In this video, I'm going to show you guys a secret method how to make $1,000 per day on Clickbank. So this is going to be step-by-step method, and also I should keep this method a secret because it is really powerful, but I really appreciate you guys, my subscribers, so I wanted to share with you guys this secret method. So make sure to watch this video till end. And also, if you want to show some support to me for making these kind of videos, make sure to press that like button. If you are new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button. So let's jump straight into this video, guys. So first of all, if you don't know what is Clickbank, it is one of the biggest retailers in the world of the digital products. So for each sale that you make on Clickbank, you're going to earn huge commissions, from 75% to 90% commissions, because these are digital products. You don't have any costs for making them, so that is why the digital products have such a high commission. So if you want to create a Clickbank account, you can do it for free. You probably already have a Clickbank account. Just go and click on create account if you don't have one. You can create it in few seconds. So make sure to enter all of the right information, because if you enter something wrong, you're going to have trouble getting paid. So you don't want that to happen. So make sure to enter right information. So you're going to get personal information, and after that you're going to give some banking information, and at the end you're going to choose your Clickbank ID. So that is the ID that you're going to remember to enter when you're promoting Clickbank products. So let's jump guys to affiliate marketplace. So I'm going to show you guys how you can analyze some profitable ads on Facebook and how you can take advantage of them and see what actually works, and you can do and copy those ads. So let's click on affiliate marketplace, and here you can choose different categories of Clickbank products, but we're going to analyze some of the most popular ones. So let's search for the most popular products at the moment. To explain you guys how Clickbank works, this is the number one Clickbank product right now. So here you can see that on average per sale you're going to earn $35.51. So the cost of this product is $47, but you're going to earn 82% of that $47, which is actually $35.51. So that is how much money you're going to earn per sale if you get a sale for this product. And also what is really important is this gravity. So that is the number that is showing us how many affiliates are selling this product. So not actually just promoting the product, but getting sales. So here you can see this number is really high. So many affiliates are promoting this product and they're getting sales for this product. So what are we going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can search some of the ads that are running on Facebook and how you can take advantage of those ads. So let's go and copy the name of the product and go on Google and type in Facebook ad library. So you're going to see a page like this, and you actually can search for the name of the products that you want. So we're going to search for the ad for this particular product. So what you need to do is, it is going to take some time because these are all of the pages that are related to this product. So if we click, for example, on this one, at the moment this page has 35,000 likes, but they don't have any ads that are running right now. So as you can see, this page isn't running any ads in any country right now. So they're not running any ads. So we're going to go back and we're going to search for some other products, because you can see it is going to take some time. You're going to search for a lot of these pages you want to see if they are running ads, and I'm going to go with the one that I actually know that there are ads for this product. So this product right here, it has also nice gravity. Here you can see 214 gravity. You can earn $37.88 per sale for this product. So it is actually a good product. And we're going to search for some of the pages. Let's click on the first one. So here you can see this page has 9,000 likes, and actually likes doesn't show anything, guys. So you don't need to worry about how many likes you have on your page, because you're going to run ads to the people. So it doesn't matter how many likes you have on your Facebook page. Here you can see this is an active ad that are running still. So here you can see when this ad started running on September 23rd, and that means that this ad is running for over 15 days. So what is showing us that this ad is running for so long? We can see that this ad actually works. It is giving some of the sales to the guy who is running the ads, the owner of this Facebook page. So he's getting some sales, and that is the reason why this ad is active. We can't really tell if this ad is actually profitable, but if we see that someone is paying money to run ads for this product and for such a long time, that is showing us that this ad actually works. So you can see what I'm doing here. Because we have 15 days ad that is running still, and it is probably going to run for a long time because it actually get sales. So this guy doesn't do anything. He basically has some daily budget. For example, he spends $100 per day on this ad, and he's making, let's say, $300 back on every single day. So I can't really tell how much money he's making, how much money he's spending on an ad, but we can say that this ad is actually profitable. So here you can see what he has in his text for this ad. This is really important because you want to see what actually works. So you don't actually need to go and do a lot of testing. You're going to spend a lot of money on the testing. So you want to see some of the ads that are actually profitable for some of the products. And here you can see he has also affiliate link right here, and also when you click on this link right here, he is going to direct you to a landing page for the product that I actually show you guys. So this is the product that he's promoting. So he's running an ads to a landing page because you can't really direct link a Facebook ad to Clickbank product. You actually need to build a landing page. So I'm not going to show you guys how to build a landing page in this video. The main focus is going to be how to find the ads. So that is the secret method. So here you can see that they have different variations for this ad. If we click on see more, here you can see he has this ad also, this video right here, this video right here. So they have some different variations for the products. They have also different text. So what you want to do is you want to see what ads actually work for a particular product, and you can do something similar. You don't want to go and copy all of the ad that this guy made. You want to create something similar because this ad actually works. So guys, that is how you can go and run ads on Facebook and see what kind of ads are actually profitable, which ads are active, because this ad is, as I said, still active. This guy is probably making some money back on what he spends. So how you can run ads, it is really easy to do it. Just go on Facebook, create a Facebook account, and go on Facebook advertising. So what you want to do is you want to put here, you can see you can put an offer, so you can put what offer you want on your Facebook page. You can go with traffic, so we're going to run traffic to our website. We're not going to run to the app or messenger. We're going to run our traffic on website. So you can choose also which page you're going to use, audience you want to pick. So what we can do right here is we can create new audience, we can create lookalike audience, but for now we're going to create some audience if you want to. I'm not going to do it right now, so you can also choose which location you're going to rent. So I usually go with United States, but you want to do your own research for the product. You want to do what the people are interested in, so you don't want to run Spanish product to the English people. That doesn't make any sense. So you want to go and run the ads to the product that to the people that are actually interested in this. So that would be probably United States, let's say Canada. And now we can choose what age that are interested in this product. So they probably have some affiliate tools that you can do a research, but that is not going to, as I said, be the main thing, how to run ads. That is not what we're going to focus in today's video. So you can choose the age right here. That would be probably to 28, from 18 to 28 years old. You can choose language, English, and what these people are interested in. So we can go with manifestation or something like that, and we can create some of the targeting for our ad. So that is how you can create a Facebook ad. And here you can see we can reach 45,000 people right now with our ad, but it is not actually that targeted because I don't want to waste a lot of your guys' time. The main focus is going to be this ad library, how you can find the ads on Facebook that actually works. So if you are interested in how you can do Facebook ads step by step, if you don't know anything about Facebook ads, and it also requires some testing, I can't really show you guys the targeting. That is not going to make any sense because I didn't do Facebook ads for this product. I have just found this product for the video. I don't know anything about it, so I can't really show you guys the targeting for this particular product. So if you want to see in the next video or something like that, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do a research of the traffic that is coming to this product, so you can see what gender is interested in this product, how old are they, also where they're from, and more. So if you want to see that, make sure to leave a comment down in the comment selection. So guys, that would be it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that like button. If you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.